Good morning, everyone. Myself Srinivas, and today we will discuss a topic on universal logic gates. Okay, here universal logic gates are two gates that are NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, NAND gate and NOR gate are called universal logic gates, and these gates are very popular because of universal function. Okay, why? Because NAND and NOR gates are used to construct all the basic gates like AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Okay, AND gate can be constructed by using NAND gate or NOR gate. OR gate can be constructed by using NAND gate or NOR gate. NOT gate can be constructed by using NAND gate or NOR gate. So that is why it is called as universal gates. Okay, here the NAND gate stands for NOT and AND. Okay, AND gate plus NOT gate. Here AND gate and NOT gate. This NAND gate has two or more inputs and only two or more inputs and only one output. The output of AND gate is given an input of NOT gate. So, and NAND gate is a combination of AND gate plus NOT gate. Okay, the output of AND gate is given to the input of NOT gate. So, here this is a complete NAND gate diagram, nothing but standard logic symbol of NAND gate. So, when two inputs are given, the output will be A dot B whole bar, nothing but inverting the output of AND gate. AND gate output will be inverted. Okay, here to the AND gate one notch will be connected, notch or inverting function. Okay, this gate is called NAND gate. Nothing but NAND gate is nothing but AND gate followed by NOT gate. Okay, then coming to the truth table of two inputs NAND gate, or the truth table of NAND gate is developed by inverting the output of AND gate. AND gate output ni we are inverting. Okay, the working we will see working how we will read this truth table. The output of NAND gate is high if any the input so the output of AND gate is low if all inputs are high. The output of NAND gate is high if both the inputs are low or any one of the input is low. So the output will be high. So the output of once again the output of NAND gate is high if any one of the input is low or both the inputs are low, then the output of NAND gate is high. Okay, right now we will see NOR gate. So we will see NOR gate. NOR gate has two or more inputs and only one output. Here NOR stands for NOT plus OR gate. So NOR gate can be constructed by using OR gate plus NOT gate. Okay, nothing but the output of OR gate is given as an input of NOT gate. Then NAND gate will be formed. Okay, nothing but the NOR gate is nothing but OR gate followed by NOT gate. Okay, so this is the standard logic symbol of two input NOR gate. Okay, this is a symbol of logical symbol of two input NOR gate. This is OR gate and this is NOT gate. So OR gate followed by NOT gate is then NOR gate will be formed. Okay, coming to the truth table. Truth table for two inputs NOR gate. Okay, the truth table of NOR gate is developed by inverting the OR gate. Okay, OR gate output is inverted, invert operation is performed, then our complement operation is performed, then we will get NOR gate output. So we'll read like this: the output of NOR gate is low if any one input is high or all inputs are high. So the output of NOR gate is low if any one of the input is high or all the inputs are high. Then the output is low. The output of NOR gate is high if all the inputs are low. Okay. So hope you understand these topics. If you like my videos, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We will meet with next topic in next video.